you're seeing here is the patented CityPost top rail bracket. And what this does is it matches the pitch of whatever your stairs are to ensure that you're not having to do any metal fabrication in the field. Now this is our patent pending bracket, and it's made out of injection molded polypropylene with 30% fiberglass fill. It's the most robust industrial plastic available today. So to install the aluminum top rail with the CityPost system, we provide 1-inch sheet metal screws, and those are going to go up from underneath through the CityPost patented top rail bracket and attach to the top rail. So you want to center your top rail right over the top of the brackets there, so you get equal distance on either side. If we were going to talk about an order of operations for installing the top rail over the bracket, if we started with this screw hole right here, the next obvious one would be diagonal from that to ensure that that top rail gets locked in place.